Question is, you have 1, 4, 8. Oh, sorry, not 8. 1, 4, 16, 64, and so on. This is a sequence, and you have to tell me that what is the A20th, that is the 20th term of this sequence. First of all, you have to check the given sequence is geometric progression or not. Then after that, you will proceed further.
Okay,
Like
sir.
if it is a geometric progression or arithmetic, you have to check before solving that. And then once you know that, you can use simultaneously, you can find the sum and the nth term
Okay, sir.
and 20th term. You have to find 20th term and the sum of first 20 terms. Got it?
Yes,
Please
sir.
do it quickly. You have, I think you can solve this question in 2 or 3 minutes if you remember the formulas.
Okay, sir.
Have you remembered the formulas?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the formula for nth term in geometric progression?
AR is to n minus 1.
Okay, and for the sum? For the sum, if we have a common ratio greater than 1.
So it will be A 1 minus R upon n minus R minus 1.
No, for the r greater than 1.
It will be A
The form,
equals to A into R minus A R is to n minus 1 upon R minus 1.
yeah. Actually, you will get the same answer from both the formulas, but it might maybe that your teacher deduct marks for the wrong formula.
So
What is the first term?
sir,
What is the
1,
value of A? And what is the value of R?
4.
R is 4. Okay, so what are you getting for A20?
So for A20, I'm getting 4 is to 20 minus 1 upon 3.
Yeah, that is right. And for S20,
For S20, I'm getting, sir, for S20, I'm getting 1 is to 4 is to 20 minus 1.
you are getting 4 is to 20 minus 1. This
Yes, sir.
this is what you are getting for A20.
Yes.
Hmm? This is sum, no? This is formula for sum.
Sir, I'm getting 4 is to 19.
Yeah. For this answer will be 4a, that is 1 in times 4 is to power 9, 20 minus 1, that is 4 is to power 19. Yeah. Okay. आपने पिछले होमवर्क भी नहीं सॉल्व किया ना? आई गेस टू और थ्री होमवर्क्स.
Yes, sir, I didn't because I had my exams. I'm going for that only.
Okay, okay, no problem. When is your next exam?
So Thursday, bio.
Thursday.
Yes, sir.
Biology.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Biology. Okay, okay. Okay, so you have a question that I think I gave this question to you in the homework part, but I would like to take this question because it is, I guess it is a little bit good question than the previous question that we have did. Need to give the sum is that and this. Okay, no problem. Okay, so question is that the sum of first three term of GP is 13 upon 12. You have sum of first three terms of GP, that is geometric progression, is how much? 13 upon 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 13 upon 12, and their product is minus of 1. So we have to common ratio, find the common ratio and the terms. And we have to find common ratios and the first three terms.
Okay, sir.
And first three terms. See how we are going to solve this. In geometric progression, whenever you have a question like the sum of first three terms, like the sum of first three terms, then in that case you have to consider that terms. So how you're going to consider those three terms? See, whenever a GP is given, you have to consider those terms as A by R, A and AR. You have to write a line that let's consider first three terms of a geometric progression is A by R, A and AR. That is okay.
Yes, sir.
So after solving this question, I will take one more question. If this question is asked for a arithmetic progression, I think you might have solved that type of questions in class 10th also. Like sum of three terms of a arithmetic progression is this, and product is given. So you have to find whatever it is required.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
solved those type of questions? Okay, tell me.
No, sir.
what do you take if it was a case of arithmetic progression instead of GP? If it was AP, then which three terms you should consider? There is a certain type of form.
Sir,
Have you heard about A minus D, A plus D? See,
sir, it
something
will
like
be
this. Something like this. A minus D, A, A plus D. See, D we used in arithmetic progression. That's why we have to take in the form of A and D. So A minus D, A and A plus D. This is in the case of arithmetic progression, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. So here you have A, R. This you need to learn that whenever you have a question like first sum of first three terms of geometric progression is this. Whenever you have given with some first three term thing, then in that scenario you have to take A by R, A and AR. If it was
Yes,
like five terms, then what you can take? See, if it was like, see why I'm taking this, because I want that if I multiply all the term, then R and R will get cancelled out, and we
yes,
can
sir.
get A cube, right? We can get A cube, and since A cube is given as a minus one, so I can take that A. Okay, A is a minus one. I can take A is a minus one. That's why I want.
Yes, sir.
That's why I want these three terms in these form: A R, A by R, A and AR.
Yes, sir.
If it was like five terms, then in that case also I want that all the denominator R and numerator R will get cancelled out, and I can get only in the term of A, so that I can get the value of A. Then after that I can get the value of R easily. So in that case, how
Yes,
we are
sir.
going? In that case, see, this is starting from A, and it is AR, it is A by R, it is AR square, there AR square, and so on, R cube, and so on. So you have to think from this middle. If you are going in the right, you have to multiply R. If you are going in the left, you have to divide by R. So you
Yes,
have
sir.
to take three cases. You have given like you have first three terms, then you have to consider these term also. If it was given like five terms, then you have to consider from the this to this. See, if I consider this term, and if I multiply all of them, then what I'm getting? See, in the denominator I'm getting R cube.
Yes, sir.
If I multiply all the five terms, and in the numerator I'm also getting R cube, so R cube and R cube will get cancelled out, and we have a raised to power 5. So from there we can find A, and if once we get A, then we can easily find
Sir.
what is needed in that question.
Yes,
है ना?
yes, sir.
So this is clear to you. A is
Yes,
minus of 1. See, if I take A cube equals to minus 1, then in this case I will get real and imaginary roots also, but we have to take real only. Right?
yes, sir.
We have to take only real part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's why I've considered only A is equals to minus of 1.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So once I get the value of A, so, and one more thing is given, that the sum of first three terms. So let's do the sum of those terms. A by R plus A plus AR. It is given as 13 upon 12, right?
Yes, sir.
13 upon 12, yeah. Now we will simplify this. We have value of A. We
Yes,
can
sir.
take A common also. We can take A common also. Let's take A common, and we have 1 by R, 1 plus R is equals to 13 over 12. Since A is minus 1, Then I can take that a on the other side. It will be minus
Yes,
of
sir.
13 by 12, है ना? It will
Yes,
be
sir.
1 by r plus 1 plus r, and this will be minus of 13 by 12. Now we have to simplify this, and for that we have, first of all, what should I do in the LHS? I have 1 by r plus 1 and plus r. What should I do?
Um, we will take r with r into 1 minus r. We'll cut r.
No, see, we can't cut r. This is wrong. We can't cut r. This is not in multiplication, no. This is in addition. So how we can cut this directly? I told you that numerator and denominator things will get cancelled out only when these terms are in multiplication. If it was like 1 by r multiply by 1 multiply by r, then we can cut. This is plus. We can't cut
Yes,
directly. We have to take LCM.
yes, sir.
लेना होगा ना LCM.
Yes, sir.
For that, I have to take LCM. And I told you how to take LCM. This is 1. This is also 1.
Yes, sir.
Have you watched any video on the concept of LCM?
Yes, sir.
Did you understood any thing about LCM?
Yes, sir.
You have everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me, what should I write? I took in the LCM R. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then guide me.
So it
What?
will be 1 plus
Hmm?
r plus r square.
R
Square.
square. Good. And we have minus 13 over 12. Now, what should I do? Can I do the cross multiplication?
Yes, sir.
So 12 plus 12r plus
Yes.
12r square equals to
Yes.
minus 13r. Now I have,
Yes, sir.
now I can take this 13r on the LHS. So it will become 12r square. First of all, I have to
Yes.
write the equation in the descending power. So
Yes.
12r square plus 12r plus 12, and this 13r minus 13r will come on the LHS, and it will become 13r. So
Yes.
this is 12r square plus, say, this 12r and this 13r. These are like terms, so we can add this. So this is 25r
Yes, sir.
plus 12. So I'm getting this, right?
Yes, sir.
Now this is a quadratic equation.
Yes, sir.
12r square plus 25r and plus 12. So I can solve this using quadratic formula.
Yes, sir.
That is, r is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. This is the quadratic formula, right? So here
Yes,
what I
sir.
have, what is the value of b here? Okay, tell me, what is the value of a? A is 12.
Yes, sir.
This is a, this is
Yes,
b,
sir.
and this is c. What is b? 25.
25.
What is c?
It's 12.
12. Now I have to put in this formula minus b. So what is my minus of b? 20 minus 25 plus minus under root b square. What is b? B is 25. So square of 25 is 625.
625.
Good.
Yes.
Minus 4 times, what is a? A is 12
25.
and
Yes,
c
sir.
is
12.
also 12
Yes, sir.
over
Upon 2 into 12.
2 into 12. Okay, so when I will solve this, 12 times 12, it is
20,
144.
144.
144 times 4, that is 576. So 625 minus 576 is 49. So I'm
Yes.
getting minus 25 plus minus under the root 49 over
Yes.
2 times 12. So what is under root of 49?
7
7.
plus r minus 7.
Good. Plus minus 7. And we have 2 times 12 in the numerator and the denominator. Now
So
we
why
have
can't
two
we write
cases.
24?
Yeah, we can write 24, but eventually we have to cut the numerator and denominator. Okay. If you want, then I can write 24. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have two cases. Uh, R can be minus 25 plus 7 over 24, and R can be minus 25 minus
Lect.
7 over 24. A plus case and a minus case. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So what is minus 25 plus 7?
18. Minus 18.
Minus 18 over 24. And
And
if I
will
need to
be
simplify this, then it will be
2 nines are?
6. Yeah, you can take 2 nines, but 6 3 ja, 6 4 ja.
Yes, sir.
So hold on. Okay. So this is minus 3 by 4. And this is minus 25 minus 7.
It will be 32 by 24.
32, but a sign of negative.
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
So we have uh,
It will be
8 4 ja, 8 3 ja. Right?
yes, sir.
So this is minus 4 over 3. And
Yes.
we have this r as a 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4, and this as minus
So,
4 by 3. Now we have two values of r, that is r can be minus 3 by 4, or it can be minus 4 by 3. So we got two values of r. Now we have to check accordingly. So for that we will get two cases. है ना? See, what we need to find in this question, that we have to find the value of r. So that part is completed. We have got two values of r,
yes, sir.
right? We have got two values of r, that is one is minus 3 by 4 and other is minus 4 by 3. So
Yes,
we
sir.
got the r, we got the values of r. Now we have to solve the other part, that is we have to write first three terms, right?
Yes,
We have to write first three terms. So फर्स्ट थ्री टर्म्स तो आर की वैल्यू पे डिपेंड करता है ना?
yes, sir.
See, what we have considered, tell me what we have considered, the common the general terms, what we have considered for the geometric progression. मैंने आपको क्या बताया था? लाइक आपके पास अगर तीन टर्म होंगे क्वेश्चन में, अगर बोला जाएगा लाइक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ थ्री टर्म्स और सम ऑफ थ्री टर्म्स ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन, देन यू हैव टू कंसीडर थ्री टर्म्स. वो थ्री टर्म्स क्या मैंने बताया था?
He terms
ए बाई आर.
A by R, A and AR.
गुड. These are the three terms. Okay. So these I have considered. Now we have R, we have two values of R. That is, one is minus 3 by 4 and other is minus 4 by 3. तो
Yes,
हमें
sir.
दो series मिलेगी. Right. We have two series of GP for R 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4, and for R minus 4 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Value of A will be same. Value of a, देखो value of a will be same. Why? Because we are getting only one value of a, that is the real one.
Yes, sir.
A equals to minus of 1. So I will say that for
Yes,
r
sir.
is equals to minus 3 by 4 and a is equals to minus 1. For r equals to minus 3 by 4 and a equals to minus 1, what we have? What is a? A by r. A by r will be minus 1 by r. What is r? R is minus 3 by 4.
Yes, sir.
So this will become how much? Minus minus will get cancelled out. I told you, okay, you have to tell me what should I write here?
So over here,
मैंने आपको बताया था पहले भी बहुत बार बता चुका हूँ.
we will write over here
हम्म.
r equals to minus 4 by 3.
ओ नहीं मैं वो नहीं पूछ रहा. I'm asking you that what should I write here? See, this is a by r minus a by r. Sorry, this is a by r. Okay, I am doing for the first term. That is first term a by r. So a is minus of 1 and
Yes,
r
sir.
is minus 3 by 4.
Yes, sir.
So I am getting minus and minus sign will get cancelled out and I
So,
have
sir,
1
we
upon 3 by
put the
4. So I
formula.
am asking this. No. अरे यार इसको बस सिंप्लीफाई करना है. इसको मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ? 1/3/4.
Yes, sir. So, sir, it will be 1 in 3 by
4
4.
by 3. It will be 4 by 3. I told you that ये वाला जो डिनोमिनेटर में अगर फ्रैक्शन आता है then what we do, we take a reciprocal of this, we take a reciprocal of this and multiply in the numerator. So what is reciprocal of 3 by 4?
4 by 3.
4 by 3, and we have to multiply in the numerator. So 1 times 4 by 3. So what is 1 times 4 by 3?
4 by 3.
4 by 3. So that is what I am asking. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have your first term is 4 by 3. This is your first term, that is 4 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the second term? Second term was a. See, this is first term a by r. A by r was the first term, है ना?
Yes, sir.
See, this is first term, this is second, and this is third term. So we got the first term a by r, that is 4 by 3.
Yes, sir.
This is first term. Now we have to solve for the second term. What is second term? A. So what is a? A is minus of 1.
Yes, sir.
So हमें second term भी मिल गया. This is our second term. Now let's
Yes, sir.
move for the third term. What is third term?
Third term is AR, so it will be 3 by
It will
4.
be 3 by 4. Good. Will be AR. So it will be minus 1 times minus 3 by 4. So this will become 3 by 4.
Yes, sir.
So I am getting first term is 4 by 3. Second term is minus 1. First term
Yes, sir.
is 4 by 3. Second term is minus 1. And third term is 3 by 4. So this is our required geometric progression. GP number 1. Okay. And for the
Yes, sir.
case of, for the other case, what we have for the other case, we have r equals to how much? Minus 4 by 3.
Yes, sir.
And a will be same. That is a will be minus of 1. This
Yes,
is
sir.
our this is the value of r and a for the next case. So what is first term? That is what is a by r. What is a? A is minus of 1.
Yes, sir.
Now this time you have to tell me. And what is r? R is minus 4 by 3. So what should I write? Tell me what should I
Sir,
write after simplifying this?
3 by 4.
Now you understood? Whatever
Yes, sir.
if the fraction is coming in denominator, then how you have to simplify that? You have to just take reciprocal of that. Whatever is in the denominator, you have to take reciprocal of that and multiply with the numerator.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So we got the first term. What is the second term? Second term is a, that is minus of 1. And what is the third term? Third term is ar. So minus of 1 multiply by r, that is minus 4 by 3. So
Yes.
we have 4 by 3. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this time, how you have to write this? What is the first term? 3 by 4.
Yes, sir.
This is the first. This is the first term. This is second term, and this is third term. So what is first term? First term is 3 by 4. What is second
Yes.
term? That is minus of 1. What is third term? That is 4 by 3. So this is your geometric progression. See, these both geometric progressions are same. 3 by 4, 3 by 4, minus 1, and 4 by 3, 4 by 3. Just the difference is here first term is 4 by 3, but in this GP first term is 3 by 4. This is only the difference. And why it is like this? Because we have different values of r. Here we have r equals to minus 3 by 4, and here r is
Yes.
equals to minus 4 by 3. That's why we are getting like this. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
I gave this question in the homework part. Okay. But I thought it is a good question, so I should take this question in the class. That's why I took this question. But you have to solve this question in homework also, okay? Whenever you will get the time.
Okay, sir.
This is clear to you? Do you have any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
All clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move to example number 10th. That is the sum of sequence. This is very interesting, and I thought it will be a very important questions for your examination.
Yes, sir.
Have you got the question? The
Yes,
question
sir.
is you have to find the sum of sequence, that is 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 and so on to n terms. So tell me, is this sequence is a geometric progression, arithmetic progression, or something else?
Sir, it's
Okay, before
geometric
it's
progression.
the,
Geometric progression.
are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is geometric progression? Tell me. Geometric progression is something in which you will get the common ratio, है ना? Common ratio मिलेगा. अगर मैं a2 को divide करूंगा a1 से,
Yes, sir.
then whatever I will get, that is common ratio, and that should be equal to the, if I divide third term to the second term, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's do it. R is, hold on, R is 77 over 7, right?
Yes, sir.
So 7, this will be 11. Correct, or no? This will be 11. Is it correct?
Yes.
And R could be 777 over 77. See, R तो या तो R ये हो सकता है this divided by this either, or it could be this term divided by this term, because
Yes,
R
sir.
is the ratio of two consecutive terms. In the numerator you have to take the right side term, and then in the denominator you have to take this term.
Yes, sir.
So R, value of R can be 777 by 77. So this will be 11, 111, and 11. So is this possible? Is 11 time 11 is 111?
So it's not a GP.
So it is not a GP, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Because the common ratio is not same.
Yes, sir.
So therefore it is not a geometric progression, right? और अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन तो किसी एंगल से नहीं लग रहा है, राइट? बिकॉज
Yes, sir.
इन अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन जो कॉमन डिफरेंस होता है दैट इज 77 माइनस 7, दैट इज 70, एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस इज ऑल्सो 777 minus 77, that is 700. So both things are not equal.
Yes, sir.
So it is also AP भी नहीं है ये, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is this is actually a special type of sequence. You have to learn some steps for solving this question. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you how to solve this question. You have 7 7, you have sum is equals to 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus 4 times 7 plus up to n terms.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So is for these type of question, what you have to do in the first step, you always have to uh, take 7 common. Okay,
Yes, sir.
first of all you have to take 7 common. Then what is inside? It is 1 plus 1 1 plus 111,
Yes, sir.
ऐसा होगा ना?
Yes,
Plus
sir.
1 1 1 1, and so on to n terms, right?
Yes, sir.
So your second step will be you have to multiply by 9
Yes, sir.
in numerator also and denominator also. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the step number 1, that is take 7 common. This is your
Yes,
first
sir.
step. In second step you have to multiply
Yes,
by
sir.
9 in, I'm writing in short, in numerator and denominator.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So let's multiply by 9. So the sum will be
Yes, sir.
7 times 7 over 9. And tell me what should I write here? If I multiply the numerator with 9, then this will become 9 times 1, that is
8. 9 times 1, 91.
9
9.
times 1, 91.
Sorry, sir. It's 9.
Are you fine?
Yes, sir.
Hello, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 11 is
It's 9. 9.
90, 99. 9 times 111 is 999. And 9 times 1111 is 9999 plus so on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes.
see what we have to do after this step. We have to make this 9 as a 10 minus 1. You will see why I'm doing this, because my main purpose for doing all this stuff is just to make a GP, geometric progression, in the numerator so that we can easily solve that. See how we are going
Sir.
to make that. Now here 7 by 9 in numerator. Can I write 9 as a 10 minus 1? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Can I write this 9 as a 10 minus 1?
Yes, sir.
Now
For this one, we will write,
100 minus 1.
yes, sir, 100 minus 1.
And
For
what is
this
100?
one,
100 is 10 square. That is 10 power 2
yes, sir.
minus 1. And for this,
For this one, we will write the 10 cube minus 1.
what is 10 cube?
1000.
1000 minus 1, that is 999. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And for this,
And 10 is to 4 minus 1.
that is 10,000 minus 1. That is 9999 plus
Yes, sir.
so on to n terms.
And 10.
Now see, we are getting, we are getting some type of geometric progression.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ पे? 10, 10 square,
Yes, sir.
10 cube, 10 4. These all are geometric progression, है ना?
Yes, sir.
But we also have minus 1. And how many minus 1 we have?
Yes, sir.
How many minus 1 we have? See, before that, first of all, I should
Sir,
write
4.
this separately. No, not 4. यहाँ पे 4 दिख रहे हैं आपको, लेकिन वो n term तक है. See, this is something like, I'm compiling this, this, this. Okay. I'm combining these terms like 10, 10 square, 10 cube, 10 की power 4. So on to
Plus
how many terms?
and term.
N terms. This is for 10. And we also have what? We also have this minus 1, this minus 1, this minus 1,
Yes, sir.
this minus 1, this minus 1. And till how much we have? Till n terms. So I can write, this is minus 1, right? So can I take minus common?
Yes, sir.
And 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to how many terms?
And term.
N terms. So we have successfully separated both the terms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what we have to do? Our next step is to solve this geometric progression, that is 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube and so on to n terms. This is our
Yes, sir.
GP.
Yes, sir.
And tell me, what should I write here? I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 and we have to add 1 till the n terms. So what should I write?
So we will write minus 1.
Okay, minus 1 नहीं, 1 plus 1 plus 1, वो तो minus 3 तो ऐसे हो जाएगा, minus
It
1 कहाँ
will
से
be
होगा?
minus 4.
No. See, I'm giving you an example. मैंने आपको कहा था, जब मैथ में आपको कभी सीरीज ज्यादा लेना होता है, then if you are getting confused anywhere, then you can take a small example. See, here you have till n terms. So let us consider n will be 10. You need to find 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so on to 10 terms. So if you add 1 10 times, then what it will be?
So then it will be
You have
9.
to add 1 10 times. 9 कैसे होगा यार? You have to add 1, you have to add 1 10 times.
So it will be 1 is to 10.
No, add 1 10 times. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus
So
1
sir,
plus
it
1
will
plus
be
1
10.
plus 1. 10. So if we add 1 10 times, then we are getting 10. If we add n times, if we add 1 n times, then what we will get?
10 terms.
N. Then we will get n. अंडरस्टूड ना? ये समझ आया n कैसे आया?
Yes, sir.
So this is our geometric progression. This is this is our geometric progression ना? Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
This is our geometric progression. What is
Yes,
A?
sir. Sir, A is 10.
A is 10. What is R?
R is 10.
R is 10. So we have to solve this like 7 by 9. What is the formula for sum in case of geometric progression?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula for sum in geometric progression? In GP, what is
In
the formula for sum?
sir, it is A into R minus R is to N minus 1 upon R minus 1.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And what is in the next term, that is minus of n.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is our answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is our final answer. That is 7
Yes.
by 9. 10 times 10 to the power n minus of 1 over 9 minus of n.
Yes, sir.
How was this question?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, our annual date sheet has came.
Annual date sheet has came.
Yes, sir. Our sir maths exam is last. It's on 20th February, Thursday.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, you gave, I think you told some chapters to the team that you have to do that chapters earlier, I guess. I think that those chapters are probability and
Probability,
coordinate
limits and
coordinate geometry,
derivatives,
limit and derivative, and
conic sections.
conic sections. Okay, okay. Probability, limits and derivative, and conic section. So which chapter we should start after completing this?
So we should go with first limits and derivatives.
Okay, then we will start limit and derivative after completing this chapter. Okay. Okay, so how was this question? That we have to find the sum of 7 plus 77 plus 777. How was this question?
So it was good.
It was good.
Yes, sir.
If this question comes in your examination, it can be uh, it can be easily come for 3 marks. वैसे क्वेश्चन ज्यादा ज्यादा मार्क्स का बनता है, but you told me that you have only 3 marks for this chapter.
No, sir. Yes, sir. 3 months.
Yes, sir. No? Okay, so this is from my side. This is very important question. In this question, you have to learn only 2 or 3 steps. Then after that, you have to solve the same thing that you used to solve in geometry progression. What was the first step? First of all, you have to take 7 common. After taking
Yes,
7
sir.
common, what is the second step? You have to multiply 9 in numerator and denominator both. So numerator will become 9 times 1, that is 9, and 9 times 11, that is 99, and so on. Then you have to, this step is also important. Then you have to split 9 into in the form of 10 minus 1. Like 9 can be written as a 10 minus 1, 99 can be written as a 10 square minus 1, and 999 can be written as a 10 power 3 minus 1. Why I'm writing like this? Because I need to form a geometric progression so that I can easily calculate the sum. So this is 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus 10 4 until 10 n terms. So I can find this is clearly geometric progression.
Yes, sir.
You know, this is clearly geometric progression. And uh, if I add 1 n times, then what I will get? I will get n minus of n. So rest is, I guess, okay. You have to solve, apply the formula and solve. And after that, you will get this. This is your final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
All clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move to the question number 11th. Example number 11th.
Yes, sir.
Got the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so question is, a person has 2 parents, 4 grandparents, and 8 grandparents, 8 great grandparents. Okay, so on. That means you are giving, you have been given with the what? Geometric progression.
Yes, sir.
2, 4, 8.
8.
This is GP, right?
Yes, sir.
And what you need to find? So on. Find the number of ancestor during the 10th generation. So
Yes,
you
sir.
have to find the number of ancestors. So you have to find, that is S10. So S10 यहाँ से find हो जाएगा easily.
Yes, sir.
Will you able to solve this question
Yes, sir.
easily?
Yes,
What is
sir.
R? What is A? What is A?
2.
A is 2. What is R? R is also 2.
Yes,
What is
sir.
S10? S10 will be 2. 2 power 10 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. So when you solve this, it will be 2 power 10 minus 1. When you will solve everything, then you will get 2046. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So there are इतने number of 2046 number of ancestors till the 10th generation.
So you
ठीक है?
multiply it 10 times?
Yeah, we have to see this 2 power 10 is 2 times 2, 2, 2, 10 times.
Yes, sir.
Understood? 2 power 10 मतलब 10 बार उसको multiply करना है. You can do
Yes, sir.
one thing like, 2 power 5 is 32.
Yes, sir.
So you can do like this, 32 times 32.
And sir,
Because 2, where is
where did this two go? The out, like which is out of
this
the
one?
bracket? Yes, sir.
So you need the complete solution. Okay, wait, hold on. What is 2 power 10?
The
What is
204.
32 times 32? See, we have this.
246.
We have 2 times 2 के power 10 होता है
Yes, sir.
1024 minus of 1. So this is 2 times 1023. And when
Oh,
you will
yes, sir.
solve this, you will get 2046. अब ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So this is our final answer. Now
Yes.
let's move to the uh, uh, next topic, that is geometric mean. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by geometric mean? Our next topic is
Two positive numbers of A and B
hmm,
in the root of A.
two positive. Go on.
Numbers A and B in the root A and B.
So geometric mean is two positive number A and B. In A and B is the number root AB. Okay. So what is geometric mean? If you have a two numbers like you have A and B, okay. If you have a two numbers that is A and B, then what is geometric mean? Geometric mean is under root of multiplication of that two numbers.
Yes, sir.
This is known as geometric mean.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me see if anything can any question we can solve on this topic. Okay, let's move to the example number 12. So have you understood about this? What is geometric mean?
Yes, sir.
We have two numbers like a comma b. So geometric mean is under root of multiplication of both the numbers. And why it is saying the positive numbers? Because we need positive number inside the root. Otherwise, it will be imaginary. ठीक है? We need positive number inside the root.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why both the numbers should be positive. Now let's move to the 12th part, 12th question. It says that insert three numbers between 1 and 256 so that the resulting sequence is a geometric progression. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have to insert three numbers between 1 and 256. So I will consider those three numbers as a G1. See, another category of question in which when you have been asked that you have to insert three numbers between two numbers. So how you are going to consider that thing? Like in that case, you have to use concept of geometric mean. Okay. In that case, you have to use concept of geometric mean. So I have to insert three terms. So I will insert geometric mean 1, geometric mean 2, and geometric mean 3. Okay. These are the three numbers.
Yes, sir.
These are the three numbers that I have considered. Three numbers between 126, between 1 and 256. Right. Now what we have to
Yes,
do?
sir.
Uh, this and what else is given in the question? The resulting sequence is a geometric progression. So this sequence is geometric progression. This is
Yes.
GP. Okay.
Yes, sir.
right? This is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So can I take this? This is first term, okay? First term is, let's say this is first term, that is ar square, ar cube.
Yes,
So
sir.
a is 1, a is 1, ar is g1 and ar 4 also. This is g1, this
Yes,
is
sir.
g2, and this is g3. And we have a4 is 256. Now
Yes,
we
sir.
have what we have? We have a is equals to what? A is equals to 1,
Yes, sir.
है ना? A की वैल्यू मेरे पास 1 है,
Yes, sir.
and I have a r की power 4 is 256. So using both these, I can get, if a is 1, so ar power 4 is how much? 256. So can I put a 1 here? 1 times
Yes,
r
sir.
की power 4 is 256. And when you will solve this, r की power 4 is equals to 256. So
Yes, sir.
r power 4, this will be 4 times 4 power 4. See what is 4? 4 times 4 power 4? It is 256.
Yes. Yes, sir.
ये समझ आया? 4 पावर 4 कैसे 256 होता है? 4 पावर 4
Yes.
is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. This is 16. This is also 16. So 16 times 16. So 16 times 16 is 256.
Yes, sir.
Understood? अब मैंने
Yes, sir.
आपको एक रूल बताया था in the previous class that if powers are equal, then base will also be equal. So I see here power is 4 and 4. So power is equal. So R should be equals to 4.
Yes, sir.
Now we have value of A, that is 1, and we have value of R, that is 4. We have these two values.
Yes, sir.
Now can I find the value of G1, G2, G3?
Yes, sir.
What is G1? AR. What
Yes,
is
sir.
G2? G2 is AR square. What is
Yes, sir.
G3? G3 is AR
AR.
cube. So AR is 1 times 4, that is 4. This is 1 times 4 square. What is 4 square?
16.
And 1 times 4 cube. What is 4 cube?
64.
64. So I got these values G1, G2, G3. ये हमें क्या मिल गया? 4, 16, 64. So this is our
Yes.
answer. We need to insert three numbers between between what?
G1 and G2.
B1? No, between 1 and 256.
Yes, sir.
I know. See, instead of writing this G, you can take anything. This is not geometric mean. Geometric mean is denoted by GM. Okay. This is what? This is these are the general terms. These are the terms of GP.
Yes, sir.
Okay. These are the terms of GP, and in this case, in this question, you have to consider if first term is 1 and G1, G2, G3 and 256. Okay, then you have to consider first term A, then AR. This is the general sequence, general form of
Yes, sir.
geometric progression, like AR square, AR cube, AR power 4, है ना? ये
Yes, sir.
पता है ना आपको? This is general form: AR square, AR cube, AR power 4.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So using the first, that is a equals to 1, and using AR power 4 equals to 256, इन दोनों को यूज किया मैंने, और वहां से मेरे पास a की वैल्यू आ गई और r की वैल्यू आ गई. देन आई हैव यूज्ड वैल्यू ऑफ a and r in this g1 g2 g3, and from there we can easily get the
Yes,
those
sir.
three terms that we are need to insert between 1 and 256. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now let's move to next topic, that is the relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. What do you mean by arithmetic mean?
Arithmetic mean. Um,
नहीं पता.
no, sir.
What do you mean by geometric mean?
Geometric mean positive numbers.
What positive numbers? If we have two positive number a and b, then geometric mean will be
Root AB.
root ab. And if we have two positive real numbers, like okay, first of all, consider two positive. Do you understand? This is positive.
Yes, sir.
Two positive real numbers. Okay, real number a and b. Okay. So, what is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean A is equals to A plus B by 2. This is arithmetic mean.
Yes, sir.
How we find average? That is the same thing, mean. So, this is arithmetic mean, that is A plus B over 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And what is geometric mean? Root AB.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, this is geometric mean and this is arithmetic mean.
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
है ना? So, okay, so the relation is, okay, I will solve a little bit. Actually, the relation is arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. This is the relation, but I will show you that how this relation is coming. See, what is arithmetic mean? This a is arithmetic mean only. Okay, this is nothing else. This is arithmetic mean, and this g is geometric mean. Both are the same thing. Okay, so if I do a minus g, that will be a plus b over 2 minus root ab. If I solve this, I will get a plus b minus 2 root
Yes,
AB
sir.
over 2. And if I solve this further, then I will get square of root A minus root B whole square over 2. Okay? See
Yes,
how
sir.
how I am getting this from this. If I square this thing, if I square this term, then I will get this. Just try to square that. Under root of 2 is under root of a square, that is a. Under root of b square, that is b, minus of 2ab, minus of 2 root a and root b. So this is minus root 2ab. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now here you will notice one thing, that this term is positive. This term is positive. ये positive है कि नहीं है? This term is positive or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Why it is positive? See, in the numerator it is a square. So a square of anything is positive.
Yes, sir.
Square of anything is positive, na?
Yes, sir.
And what is iota square?
Yes, sir.
What is iota square?
Iota square is iota minus 1.
So is it possible that square of anything is positive?
No, sir.
Except until or unless the given thing inside the square is real number. That's why in the starting I told you that this a and b are positive real numbers. क्योंकि कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर में क्या होता है, इमेजिनरी जो पार्ट होता है आयोटा, if we square that iota then we will get negative number, negative. But here, since we have considered a and b as a positive real number, so square of anything will be positive, and positive quantity over 2 will be positive.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now? So this is greater than 0. Positive, that means greater than 0.
Yes, sir.
A minus g is equals to root a over root minus root b square over 2. This is greater than or equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So considering this and this, let's take these two terms. That is a minus g is greater than equals to 0. That means a is greater than or equal to g. That means arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. ये क्लियर हुआ अब कैसे होता है
Yes,
arithmetic
sir.
mean greater than geometric mean? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
बट आपको ना ये सब नहीं याद करना है. No need to learn this thing that how we are getting am greater than gm. Just you have to learn this thing. See what you have to learn. Relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Consider, we have considered two positive terms. तो यहाँ पे आपको याद क्या रखना है, am. What, how you find am, that is a is a plus b by 2. This is how we are going to find arithmetic mean. And geometric mean is under root of ab. So you have to learn just this relation. You have to learn only this relation, that is am is greater than gm. This is the important thing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right, got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have any class
Yes, sir. At 8 o'clock, I have chemistry class.
at 8 o'clock? And after how many minutes?
So right now it's over here. It's 6:30. So after,
So still we have a little bit of time. I will take only 10 minutes. Okay,
okay, sir.
because I have to I want to solve one question on this topic, that am is greater than geometric mean. Then and then from the next class we will start from the exercise questions. Or if you will say, then we will discuss that whatever your paper questions. So this is
Yes.
clear to you. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. Whatever this is only you have to learn. Like arithmetic mean is a plus b over 2. This is arithmetic mean. And geometric mean is
Yes,
अंडर
sir.
रूट ऑफ ए बी. और जो ए और बी है वो दोनों पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर होंगे. ठीक है.
Yes,
And
sir.
the relation is arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. This is clear to you. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's take one question quickly. So we have question number 13. Example number 13. It says if arithmetic mean and geometric mean are two positive real number a and b are 10 and 8. That means we have given arithmetic mean equals to what? 10, and geometric mean equals to
Yes, sir.
what? What we have given?
10.
Arithmetic mean equals to 10.
Yes, sir.
Geometric mean?
10.
Have you read the question? Please
Yes,
read
sir.
the question one more time. Please read the question. What is the question? Tell me.
Say 8.
8 होगा ना geometric mean. And
Yes, sir.
we also know that arithmetic mean क्या होता है? a plus b by 2. अगर दो नंबर है मेरे पास a और b है, then arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2, है ना?
Yes, sir.
And geometric mean क्या होता है? Under root of ab.
Yes, sir.
सो इसका वैल्यू ये भी है, इसका वैल्यू ये भी है, तो मैं यहाँ से आई कैन कंक्लूड दिस लाइक a plus b/2 is 10 and root ab is 8.
Yes, sir.
I can write like this.
Yes, sir.
लिख सकता हूँ ना मैं ऐसे?
Yes, sir.
Now I can do one more thing like uh, a plus b is equals to 20,
Yes, sir.
and here if I will square both the side, then I will get ab, and in the other side 8 square, that is 64. So AB is equals to 64,
Yes, sir.
right? So I have two equations. I have this equation and this equation. So how I'm going to find A and B? Using
Yes, sir.
substitution. use कर सकता हूँ ना मैं using substitution.
Yes, sir.
So when you will use substitution, that is if I put value of B from this to this, then I will get A times 20 minus A, that is equals to 4. 20A minus a square equals to 4. A square minus
Yes.
20a plus 4 equals to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think we have some. Is there is some issue in this? Some mistake that I have made? Oh yes, yes.
It's
It is
supposed to be.
64. See, it is 64, है ना?
Yes, sir.
64, 64. Sorry,
And sir, it's
it is
supposed to be
64.
negative
It's supposed to be negative. Why?
because over there it was plus. We will take it over there, so
No,
it will be negative.
I I took LHS on the RHS. See, a square को minus a square को मैं right hand side में ले गया,
Oh,
so it will
okay.
become plus a
Okay.
square. ठीक है?
Okay.
तो यहाँ से जब आप solve करोगे ना, तो यहाँ से जब आप solve करोगे, then you will get two values using quadratic equation, or you can solve by using splitting the middle term.
Yes, sir.
आप कोई भी method use कर सकते हो. So you will get a equals to 16 and 4. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
और once you get a equals to 16 and 4, then you can put in this Put in this b equals to 20 minus a. For a equals to 16, what you will get? B is equals to 20 minus a, है ना? For
Yes,
a
sir.
is equals to 16, if you will put, and for a equals to 4. So b will be 20 minus 16, that is 4.
Yes, sir.